Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brown Door Interior Designer. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you and may God bless you. Our site in KIMININI Kitale is still on progress. I hope you saw the initial video that I post. Now we've moved on for real. Now this I will start with the entry porch. Yeah, I think at first we start with flat ceiling. The second we do the skimming. The skimming for board we did it with the gypsum filler. We normally use gypsum filler for the board. Now this the skimming has been done. I think you can see. And sanding also as well has been done for this entry porch. Let's move on to our sitting room. Let's see the amazing job is going on, is on progress. As I always promise you that I'm always delivering best to my clients. This is our sitting room. The work is still on progress, as you can see. As I told you at first, this was the flat ceiling with snake light. It's the flat ceiling with snake light. You can see this other side. We have the snake light. And this just we've done the first coat. We are going to do the second coat for the undercoat, not the final coat. This is just the undercoat. The finishing is not yet. Also, you can see the wall. The wall we've done the skimming, and it's really looking very amazing. This radio is making noise. Let me switch it off for you to get me well. Yeah, okay. I hope you can get me well now. This is our sitting room. It's still on progress. Yeah, this is it. This is our amazing corridor. We have the downlight and the snake light. Just do the simple design for this corridor. This is our master bedroom. The sanding is going on. I think you can see. This what we are preparing it for the undercoat. We can't paint it without sanding. We must do the sanding until it becomes very smooth. That's when we paint the undercoat. Our master bedroom. This is where the bed will face. Then you can see we have the snake light from this end. Then you can see this end up to that end. Only where the head of the bed will be. You can see. Here we can't install the downlight because it will be directly to the eye. And as well as we have the curtain box here. The curtain box here we have, and it's still really looking very amazing. The work is still on progress. I will keep on posting you where we've reached. This is our balcony, the master bedroom balcony. It's really amazing. This amazing one. This is the flat ceiling. The flat ceiling also is always looking very amazing. Very cool. You can see also the wall skimming we've done. Very amazing. Very, very smooth. You can see this. Very, very smooth. Now what it's waiting, we are waiting for the sanding, which we won't do it. Now we're gonna do it after the Christmas. The painting for the wall. That one we are not going to do it now. This is another bedroom. We have the flat ceiling. It's really looking very amazing. Now design the flat ceiling. Here we have the dining room. We have the snake light and the curtain box. You can see our snake light. Let me switch it on so that you can see it. That is our snake light. It's going around only on this one side. On this one side we don't have the snake light because of the curtain box. This is the block. Also here we painted white. This is also our laundry. Our laundry also we painted white. The flat ceiling, and we managed to paint it white. This is our back porch. We've done the sanding. What remains is to paint the undercoat. This is still our corridor. We have not yet done the sanding and the painting. This is the study room. We have done the sanding and painting undercoat. We've done the first coat. We're gonna do the second coat. We are going to leave it with the second coat, not this first coat. This is another bedroom. Have the flat ceiling. We've done the sanding and undercoat. The first coat we've done. What remains is do the second coat, second undercoat. Then we leave it for the final coat. After the tiling has been done, after the wardrobes, after plumbing, after everything is done, we're gonna do the final coat now. This is our paint we are using to paint. We are using this, the crown, the cover mat for the crown. This is also our painter here. He's called Mr. John Tay.
Yeah, interior designer. Unaona hiyo jumba vile imepakwa? Ile kazi imeanza. Na bado ndio mwanzo.
Na bado. Just keep on watching, keep on following me, keep on contacting me. I'm Donald Ore, interior designer. I'm doing my best. Thank you guys. My number is 0741 97 76 79. I'll repeat. My number is 0741 97 76 79. We are working everywhere. We are mobile workers. Here we are in Kenya, Africa. But where you need us, we will come. We will do for you the amazing job, and you will like it. Thank you.